Okay. Okay, let's see here.
Vanguard armor.
Come on.
Yeah, do Vanguard armor.
So what letter are you writing?
Oh, Claire's
For Shyla.
H for Shyla?
Yeah.
No, what's the first letter of your name?
S.
Okay, and then
But still with my name. Okay. Gonna write a big one.
okay.
It's ginormous.
X approach. Malekith. He's a warlock on me. Gizlamy, this game's just fun. It's just fun. It's not like fun.
Done.
What letter is that again?
H.